We as a believer, we are not allowed to abuse anyone, any human being, any non-Muslim, Christian, Jew, Buddhist, Hindu, any human being. We are not allowed to abuse. Even the Prophet Muhammad, he told us not to abuse the animals, like the horse, like the donkey, like the camel. You cannot overload on them. You cannot put the weight upon them more than their capacity. You cannot beat the animal. You cannot hurt the animal. How much more the human being? We cannot kill animal unless there is a purpose. What is the purpose? Our protection. Like we can kill the snakes. We can kill the cow and goat and sheep, chicken. Why? Because we are going to eat them. But the Prophet said when you slaughter the animal, slaughter them with the least pain and not to hurt them. How much more to respect the human beings and to be good with them and not to harm the human being with our words and with our hands? That the Prophet said even to animals we are not allowed to harm. And he mentioned the two kind of women in the hadith. The one woman from Bani Israel from the old time, she was a very bad woman. She has a very bad attitude because she was committing the haram. She is very shameless woman. She do so many sins in her life. One time, she passed in a place where she saw a dog with some itching, with allergic and thirsty. That dog was looking for the water. And she mercy upon that dog. What she did, she removed her shoes, she put the rope, and she put in the deep well, and then she bring the water out, and she give the water to that dog. The Prophet said, Allah forgive all her sin because of taking care of that dog who was needing the water. And Allah changed her life. She became a righteous woman after this. She stopped doing all the bad things. Just to be kind with the dog, Allah changed the life of that bad woman to become a good woman. And the same, there is another story. There was a woman who locked up a cat, and the cat cannot get her needs, freedom or the food or oxygen or whatever she need. The cat died. The Prophet said that woman will go to the hellfire in the next life because she did not make repentance with Allah for that. So this is two stories side by side. One woman was forgiven and given guidance because of doing a good to a dog. And the other woman will be thrown in the hellfire because she did not repentance for depriving a cat from the freedom, and the cat died in the locked up in a place. So very important for us to never to harm any human being, even to an animal, even to the environment, but always to think about how I can do the good for the people for the sake of Allah, and not to harm for the people, not to do any wrong to the people. We are easy to react and easy to say and easy to judge also. Judging people is very bad also. Like example, this bad woman, people can judge that she's bad and she have a bad business and she's wrong. But look at her. Allah changed her life because of one act of mercy. And she become righteous woman.